In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Roblox email. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I've logged into the Roblox website on my web browser as usual, and all I have to do to check my email after logging into my account is to click the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on settings from the drop-down menu. In here, I can check for my email address. As you can see, I don't have an email address linked to this account, but if you would have one, this is where you would be able to check it. In the same page, you would also be able to verify your account. Now, if you don't want to check your email and you are having problems recovering a lost email that you don't remember or somehow you don't have access to anymore, what you have to do is go to the Roblox help page at help.roblox.com, open up a random article, and then here, scroll down until you see this option, Need More Help, Contact Support here. And through this page, you can contact them and describe your problem about your lost email. I hope I was able to help you on how to check your Roblox email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.